If you're into crypto automation, you've probably heard both about 3Commas and Pionex. They both promise hands-free trading, but they serve very different types of users. 3Commas is all about flexibility. Connects with your existing exchange accounts on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and lets you run bots across them using your API keys, and you get custom trading strategies, DCA bots, grid bots, smart trade tools, and a marketplace for community-built templates. It's power user-friendly, but not exactly plug and play. Pionex, on the other hand, is an exchange with bots built in. No API setup, no extra logins, just open an account and start trading. The bots are present, easy to launch, and handle everything from grid strategies to arbitrage. It's simpler, but you're limited to their platform and their liquidity. 3Commas gives you more control and broader exchange access, and Pionex gives you speed and simplicity with zero setup. If you're optimizing across accounts, go 3Commas. If you want to set it and forget it, Pionex wins on convenience. And while both have mobile apps and backtesting tools, only 3Commas has deep analytics and full manual override. Curious which one fits your style better, or are you using both in parallel? Drop your setup in the comments. I'm always down to hear what's actually working out there. And thank you so much for watching.